Your phone is a huge part of your life, so why shouldn't it be a reflection of your style and taste? ZEDGE offers millions of free ringtones, notifications, wallpapers and icons to make your device one of a kind. With ZEDGE, your phone is the ultimate conversation starter, transforming each call, text, and moment of screen time into an entertaining experience. ZEDGE is the most trusted app in phone personalization with free wallpapers, ringtones, app icons, alarms and notification sounds to easily customize your phone, tablet or other mobile device. Join the over 200 million people worldwide who rely on ZEDGE. New features include side swipe while you preview to see related content and browse seamlessly. Improved search capability helps you find everything you're looking for. 3-icon naming is back. Rename your apps anything you choose on your home screen. Discover page features stylish ringtones and wallpapers picked just for you. Save favorites as you scroll ringtones and backgrounds, then view them all in the same place. Redesigned upload tool makes adding new sounds and images to the app quick and effortless. Beautiful HD wallpapers. Search or browse millions of custom-sized backgrounds to match your phone's home screen or lock screen. Themed collections including brand name HD wallpapers and home screen backgrounds from major movies and sport events. Free Live wallpapers let you set moving images as your background or lock screen. Enjoy popular HD wallpapers for your home screen or lock screen from categories like landscapes, abstracts, inspirational quotes, sports, entertainment as well as live wallpapers and other images. Use the cropper tool to personalize the image or live wallpaper for your home or lock screen. Preview and quickly set wallpapers to your home screen or lock screen from within the app. Save your favorite wallpapers to My ZEDGE to access from any device or share them with your friends. High quality audio. Preview and download millions of ringtones, notification sounds and alarms to personalize all your device sounds. Ringtones for every friend and family member including custom contact tones as well as your favorite music like rock, rap and country, plus comedy, sayings, and classic ringers and sound effects. Easily set ringtones and notification sounds from within the app, including individual contact ringtones. Collect your favorite ringtones, alarms and other sounds to My ZEDGE to access from any device or share them with your friends. App icons and widgets. Create the ultimate personal look for your phone with customized app icons and widgets to complement your new home screen wallpaper. App icon packs replace your calendar, mail, phone and other icons with a theme just for you. Clock widgets replace the standard clock display with a custom phone theme look. Browse free icon and widget themes including special edition versions for holidays, sports, movies, events plus colors, moods and more. Personalized game suggestions. Receive personalized game suggestions based on the apps you already use and love. Browse all of the new and popular game titles specifically selected for you based on your app graph data. Save. Save lets you create a single login to access all of your favorite wallpapers, ringtones and icons from any device. Add sounds and backgrounds to favorites without downloading. Access your ringtones and wallpapers across all your devices with one simple login. Receive special limited edition holiday personalizations for every occasion from our most popular holidays like Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, New Year's, Halloween and Christmas plus cool customizations for birthdays, anniversaries, graduations, and more.